Some time ago I bought this Ibanez RG470. The guitar came with a significant issue of ham noise, which was really weird because it's wearing humbucker pickups. I wouldn't expect so much noise out of a guitar like this. So instead of returning it, I thought this could be a learning experience. I ran some continuity tests, you will see them in the next scenes. I tried to locate the problem. I took out the electronics, applied some conductive copper tape to isolate the electronics cavity. The noise significantly reduced, which was expected after that, because the isolation, also the conductive paint they added, it was really bad, you will see that. But honestly, I think there was something fundamentally wrong with the electronics placement in this guitar, because I wouldn't expect so much difference after applying the copper tape. So just being honest here, I think that when I just removed the electronics, applied the copper tape and put them back in, I think I just accidentally fixed some bigger problem. I wouldn't expect a guitar to have such a great difference after applying something like that. But still, here's the process, you can check it out, and if you're interested to do this, here's how.